Namaskar Mitro. Today we are going to build a 3D printed mini RC track loader, and to create these parts in reality, I will use the JLC PCB 3D printing service. I can easily print these parts with my 3D printer, but for those who don't have a 3D printer and want to prototype a project, then JLC PCB is all-in-one solution for you. JLC PCB is a well-known manufacturer of printed circuit boards offering multi-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly services, and SMT stencils. Besides PCBs, they also provide 3D printing and CNC machining services. They offer 3D printing services with different technologies, materials, and surface finishes. Even they also provide metal 3D printing services. To order your 3D printed parts, visit jlc3dp.com, upload your CAD file, choose your settings, and place the order. Thanks to their fast shipping option, I received the order within a week. The print quality is amazing, the layers are smooth, and the material feels strong and rigid. Now let's start the assembly process. Before continuing the assembly process, let me give a shout out to Altium for sponsoring today's video. Altium Designer is a powerful and user-friendly software trusted by engineers and makers worldwide to create high-quality PCBs quickly and accurately. And with Altium 365, your entire team stays connected. It seamlessly brings together everyone from mechanical designer to manufacturing specialists on a single cloud platform, streamlining your electronics design journey from concept to production. If you are ready to take your electronics design skills to the next level, there is a special trial offer just for YouTube viewers. Click the link in the description and get started today. Now let's get back to the assembly process.